Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will show you commands to see system or hardware information in Linux. Chapter 1. Commands to view general information Linux. To start, open the terminal, then run the uname command to see the system name. Now run the following join parameters to see different information. Use the -n parameter to see the hostname. Use the -v parameter to see the kernel version. Use the -r parameter to see the kernel drill through. Use the -m parameter to see the architecture of the team. If you prefer to see all these details on a single line, run the uname command with the parameter -a. Chapter 2. Commands to view Linux disk block information. To start, open the terminal. Run the lsblock command to see the devices in the block. To see all devices, run the command with command -a. Chapter 3. Commands to view Linux hardware information. To start, open the terminal. Run the command lshw to get the details of the Linux hardware. To see this information in a summarized way, execute the command with the short parameter. This information may be stored in a file. To do this, run the syntax you see and create the file with the details. After this, you can open the file to see the collected details. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. Commands to view USB Linux information. To start, open the terminal. With the lsusb command, you can see Linux USB devices. If you want to have more detailed information, execute the command with the -v parameter. Chapter 5. Commands to view Linux processor information. To start, open the terminal. Run the lscpu command to get the details of the system processor. Chapter 6. Commands to view SCSI information Linux. first step is to open the terminal, then run the apt install command to install the utility. To see the details we want, run the command on the screen. To see the size of the devices, run the command with the -s parameter. Chapter 7. Commands to view PCI Linux information. To start, open the terminal, then run the lspci command to see Linux PCI devices. If you want to see the result in the form of a tree, execute the command with the parameter -t. To see much more complete details, run the command with the -v parameter. Chapter 8. Commands to view information about Linux hardware components. To start, open the terminal. There you can run the command dmidcode -t, indicating which piece of hardware to check. Chapter 9. Commands to view Linux file system information. To start, open the terminal. Run the command fdisk-l to access the details of the Linux file system. Chapter 10. Commands to view SATA Linux information. Open the terminal first, then run the command you see with the desired path to see details. It is possible to use the -g parameter to add the geometry of these devices. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.